my life. My name is CJ and this is my bike check. This is a 2018 Kink launch. It's 20, I don't fucking know. They're Kink bars, don't know what ones they are. Fucking lemonade. It's a Federal Element top load stem with a strip to hell. I forgot the fucking name.
Top cap.
Top. They're Kink forks, don't know the name.
Kink forks?
Huh?
What?
Oh.
Twisted JCPC, I think. Odyssey.
Yeah, they're Odyssey pedals. I know a lot about my bike. This is a Chinaski seat from Kink.
What kind of headset you got? You don't know?
Nope.
Stock, Kink, headset?
Yeah.
Alright, good enough.
Pretty much everything is stock besides the pedals, seat, and sprocket and stem. It's a can't see the sprocket. Can you see the sprocket?
No.
Well,
Pretty much.
walk around, cameraman. It's a BSD TBT sprocket. My chain is I've seen better days.
Yes, it has seen better days.
Yeah. ODI long neck grips that hurt like hell.
They're not broken in yet. These are fucking rocks when they're not broken in.
2 Diamondback metal pegs.
At Dick's Sporting Goods.
Yes.
What kind of tires are those?
Kink's severe white walls. Yeah.
What are with the stickers?
Where'd they come from?
What kind of stickers you got on this piece?
Send nudes, suck me. I don't know why I put that on. CK Cycles. Husky Nation.
Husky Nation.
Fuck yeah.
Gotta represent Husky Nation.
Clap.
Fucking clapped.
And a Kink sticker, because, you know,
Yes.
why not?
You know what kind of rims you have?
Whatever stock rims came on the 2018 Kink launch.
Look like Mission.
Mission, yes, no shit.
Fucking
but
thinner than paper. I tacoed one of these bitches. Got a cassette. It sounds like a free coaster. Because it's fucking silent.
Yep, there's a hump.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Yesterday my chain wasn't even going on the fucking butt or on the sprocket, so
I think it's time for a new chain.
I think it is too. I think I need to change a lot of shit.
Kink or Mission bottom bracket, probably. Who
Definitely.
fucking knows? That's it.
Yep.
Cool.
Kink.